Hi guys, we'll show you how to change the water filter in this GE fridge. Model number is below. This is the filter labeled as XWFE. To remove that, you can twist it counterclockwise until you see that arrow and pull it down. You might want to empty this first, that it has water inside it. So I'm going to pour the water down. And this is the QR code. With this GE water filter, there's RFID chip embedded within it. It communicates with the fridge. It's hard to see here, but it's there. You may encounter issue with water filter you buy online that it may not work, possibly work since they don't come in with the RFID chip. But this is the easiest solution to that, the Great Value Water Filter compatible with XWFE, which really works well with this fridge. Just install it and your water is ready. This retails for about $18 from Walmart, and here's side-by-side comparison. G water filter feels a little bulky than Great Value. You can also, here you can see the grid lines around the side of the Great Value water filter. The GE water filter doesn't have those grid lines on the side. And here's some more of the comparison. So to install this, line up the sign with the grid lines facing you, then push it up and twist it clockwise until it locks up. That's pretty much it. You may have to reset your filter light with some models, but on this one, I do not have to do it. The water works right away. Make sure to empty about a liter or two before you drink the water, just to run through the filter. I will also show you what happens when the water filter is removed. If you push the water dispenser, nothing happens, and also the filter status light is red, so there has to be a filter there in order to dispense water. Now we replace the water filter again, and this will allow your water dispenser to work. As you can see here, there you go. Make sure to replace the cover of the water filter, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully this helps. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.